Hey everyone, this is Trend70. Today I'm gonna unbox Bachmann Hero. That's the Bachmann Hero I got for my birthday. So here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom, the top, and the back. It shows some other Bachmann Thomas trains available to buy. Let's unbox Hero. There we go. Here it is, guys. A Bachmann Hero. Let's take a look at him. Here's the Bachmann Hero. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, the bottom, and the back. We can turn Hero's propellers around like this. See? Let's see it again. Pretty nice. Let's see that one more time. That looks great. And stay tuned for my second version of the comparison video to Hero the Helicopter. So stay tuned. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.